Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Kusul Ashaifah, in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from our place in Indonesia. And here, the complete news. The first news is a totally of a 63rd lottery club fighting in Bandar Lampung were cheated up to 8.8 billion. A total of 63 victims founded under the guise of the social gathering and online deposit report to the Bandar Lampung police on the Thursday 3 November 2022. The victim totaling 63 people were cheated by the social media gathering made carried out by the three predator of EN. Furthermore, for the 63 social gathering victims, the victim found that 8.8 billion in the social gathering held by EN's actor. The victim attorney Muhammad Randi Pratama for the EID law firm. He said that the party report the predator represent a victim to the biggest losses, also the possibility of the victim in the continue to grow hundreds of people. He carried out in the founder under the guises digitally social gatherings and also online deposit, which result in victim experience losses of more 8.8 billion according to the Randy. The perpetrator is suspended of the carrying out to the action since 2017, and however the victim only learned to the firm in September 2022. The next news is deadly accident in Sarajevo. 2 US medical students and 1 student died. 2 medical students at Syirah Kuala University, 1 student reportedly died in a fatal accident on the Banda Aceh to the Medan National Route in the Sukamulya village, Lembang, Sulawesi, in the front of Banja Seafood City. Adjutant Commissioner Charlie Saputra Basmara told the head of the Awas Police Traffic Unit, Inspector Reina Bintar Handrayani said, accident occurred at around 8 AM. It was started in the Toyota Avanza. A passenger car hit with Supra motorcycle rider without a license plate and the Supermore Suzuki Satria without a license plate. The identified of the victim who died included Indra, 14 years old, a student from the Sarai village, Lembah Saulan district, and then Alisa Kraina Putri Selagiang, 20 years old, studying the actress at the Simpang village, Selinsing district, North Jakarta, Jakarta province. And then Rafif Irfan Maulana, 20 years old, is a student, has an actress in the Gadut village, Tilkam Agam, West Sumatra province. While the victim who suffered minor injuries were Muhammad Nuhdi Maulif, 21 years old, and Muhammad Raisul Akram Nida, 20 years old, and Fatnari Rahmani, 21 years old. Based on chronology of the event, the Mapam drivers by Muhammad Faris Kausar, 20 years old, the group US Tajan traveling of the Banja Aceh to Medan at a high speed. And arriving the crime scan, it is suspended and the Toyota Avanza moved under cruise control. The next news is flash flood hit Southeast Aceh, Tanjung Life and Timek 89 houses. Flooded Dalus route looks stone material in Southeast Aceh on the Thursday night at around. As a result, 89 houses were seriously damaged and likely damaged. The flash flood occurred in the Rambung Telda village, Darul Hasan district, Southeast Aceh Regency. The flash flooded event the Southeast Aceh had met presidential panic, especially in the middle of the night. This was reported 2 people died in the flash flood. 2 people who died at the matters where the incident occurred and Samin and Saya Indah. The head of the Rambung Telda village, Zul Baharani, said that the flood broke and the wood came from the local Selekuk River. In the flood disaster, 18 houses were likely damaged, such as those boarding bay carried away by the river Corn, Rock, and Bat entrance resident houses, and the heavy damaged houses were washed away and collapsed. The next news is the continuation of Hendra Kurniawan obstruction of justice case held today. The follow-up trial of the obstruction of the justice case of defendant Hendra Kurniawan will be held today. Hendrawan will undergo trial with the defense Agus Nuprian Irfan Wijayanto. The trial will be held to the Jakarta District Court. The Self-Adjutant Commissioner panel of judges Ahmad Sur held with a 2-day session in the schedule to hear testimony from the witnesses. As you know, Hendra Kurniawan is a defendant in the obstruction of the justice case and the death of the Brigadier Nofriansah Yosua Huta Barat, or Brigadier J. He was acquitted along with the 6 other people, the Ferdi Sambo, Agus Naptriachat Putrianto, Irfan Widianto, Arif Rahman, and Baikuni Wibowo. The 7 defendants were charged article in conjunction with Article 33 subsection Article 48 paragraph 1 in conjunction with Article 32 paragraph 1 number 18 2016 and or the second amendment article in Criminal Code subtract article in the Criminal Code conjunction with Article 45 paragraph 1 the Criminal Code. The next news is analog TV broadcasts will be soon stopped in Yogyakarta. Residents are considered to be ready to migrate to digital to broadcast. The Ministry of Communication and Information country to invest in socialization related to the migration of analog television broadcast to digital television broadcast. This is related to the determination of analog TV broadcast will be soon to be replaced with digital TV broadcast. One of them carried out by the Special Region of Yogyakarta. The command in socialization was led from Malioboro Mall, Yogyakarta, with the theme New Era of Digital TV Goodbye to Indonesia Analog TV broadcast ready for ISO. The socialization in Yogyakarta is one of the series of activities held by the Ministry of Communication and Information regarding the migration of the analog TV broadcast to digital TV broadcast and the termination of the analog TV broadcast and the simultaneously held in the 7th city. Based on Yogyakarta, the socialization was also held in Jakarta, Bekasi, Cirebon, Semarang, Bandung, and Mataram for 2 years and from 29th to 30 October 2022. The next news is sleepy driver causes incident in Wonogiri, 1 died and 2 injured. The fatal accident occurred on the Sidoarjo-Ngarjo route Ngadirojo Kidul village, Ngadirojo district, Wonogiri Regency, Central Java on the Wednesday, and Constellation involved one car and two motorbikes. One person is reported to have died and two others were injured. As a report by the head of the traffic at the Wonogiri Police Adjutant Commissioner Police Mariano, the such-severe incident involved the Daihatsu Xenia car, one Suzuki Smash motorbike, and one Honda Vario motorbike. Wonogiri police officer carried out investigation. The Kamskan series of incidents on the North Sidoarjo to the Ngadirojo route in the Ngadirojo Kidul. The next news is PIAS 40th anniversary thousand in a convoy supported around the city. PIAS Makassar entered in a 40th anniversary on Wednesday. Various activities were carried out by the Alliance, consisting of element group of the PIAS Makassar supported to celebrate the anniversary. They did a prayer together and convoy to finish the monitoring stadium. At the South Sulawesi Governor Office, members of the masses and men staged a demonstration to legitimate the promise of the Governor of the Sulawesi, Andi Sudirman Sulaiman, to continue considering a Manto Stadium, which is still in the state of repair. The management studies and activity were also attended by the President Director of the PIAS Makassar Sadikin Aksa and PCM Makassar President Commissioner Munari Afridin and the management President Ocha Alim. Well, I think those are the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Don't forget to follow us at the Tribun Lampung News video, Tribun Lampung TikTok, Tribun Lampung Instagram, and Tribun Lampung Facebook for more information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.